Okay. The other day when I did an interview with Jacob, he said that a boy named Caleb was his best friend. And then Caleb's over here. Hey, Caleb. How are you?
Good.
They're jumping on the trampoline. They're having a good time. Well, the older boys are putting up Jacob's swing. So, y'all want to go ahead and jump? Y'all don't have to sit still. So that's about the only time Jacob gets out here on the trampoline is when he's got company. As his buddy. They've been buddies ever since Jacob was born. Yeah. I think Caleb is like 24, something like that. If I'm not mistaken. Jacob used to go over his house and spend the night, but the last time he went over there, I don't know what happened. He just wanted to come back home to his mama. So, and it's nothing they've done. It's just he was missing his mama. So, yeah. Anyway, that's what I wanted to do, is do a short blog on that. So, but he's got another friend that named Charlie that wants to be on the blog too. So maybe I can get them both together tomorrow at church. They both go to church. We all go to church together. So anyway, we're trying to get a little bit of this work done at a time. And there's Mr. Panda. Hey, Mr. Panda. What is wrong with you? Huh? What is wrong with you? Huh? What is wrong? We gotta get out here and get this cleaned up before we have a yard sale, don't we? Yeah, we plan on having a yard sale within a month or two. Yeah? Oh, you're so sweet. Yeah, you're a sweet baby. So anyway, we're going to get all this cleaned up. Yeah. I don't know what we're going to do with that. Right there, he don't sleep in it. May end up trying to sell it. You want to sell that crate? Huh? Do you want us to sell that crate? Huh? You don't ever sleep in it. Yeah? We may try to sell that crate. What? Oh, you want to be on the blog? You like that? Huh? You like that? Yeah, you do, don't you? Yeah. Oh, I know what you're going to smell, that chicken. Yeah, you're going to smell that chicken. Down. You're not getting any of that chicken. That's going to be for our consumption. Yeah. Yeah, I got a chicken and boiled it down, stewed it up, whatever you call it. And tore it and shredded up. We're going to bag it up so we can make some meals out of it. Wait for it to cool down. And then I got some chicken broth out of it. Yeah. Which we already got some that I've got in the freezer. I'm going to put this in the freezer. And then my phone told me to end my workout. Which I think is hilarious. Because Lord only knows I don't do any exercise. But I guess that was considered exercise. Yeah, so we're trying to get the swing put up, or they are. Couldn't find out this house had the wood ceilings, and they just put the sheetrock on top of it, or covered it up. Hey, Chastity. Chastity's doing laundry, so trying to get that done. But anyway, I'll show you the end results of the swing if they get it put up. So, talk to you later. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.